Hello and welcome to this tutorial on the Value at Risk app from Novium Research. If you're on the tradable platform, your positions will have been picked up automatically. First, we need to select a time frame that we're going to use. Pick the basic unit, minutes, hours, days. Then select the bar size. This is the number of units, say hours, in each bar. Then select the number of bars to use for the analysis. The greater this number, the more general the analysis will be. Now, press the Analyze button. You need to wait a little while for the data to come in. It is sorted and cleaned, but the quality is very much dependent on the underlying broker. The upper graph shows a histogram of the bars in a familiar normal curve bell shape, and you can see the extreme tails at either end and where the average and the various VaR measures lie. The lower graph shows the data in a different way. Here the percentiles are ranked from lowest on the left to highest on the right. And finally, in the middle, you see a panel showing the various metrics. You'll notice that they're changing. This is because the graph is updating in real time. Okay, now let's look at another tab, the Hedge tool. This shows you the current positions you are holding on the tradable platform. You can add a hedge to your positions on the lower panel. This allows you to see the effect of a potential extra trade without having to put it into your real portfolio. On the Pro version, you can also ask for a suggestion. The system will go and look over a limited number of symbols to see what best hedges your VaR. Now let's go and have a look at the VaR Surface tab. This plots confidence levels against aggregated number of periods on a 3D plot. It's a good way to see how the dollars of your risk change as you look at different levels of confidence. The graph can be rotated and zoomed very easily. Now, let's have a look at the Driver Matrix tab. This tab is a way to visualize how the various components of your position affect the overall portfolio. The size of the circle is relative to its volatility. The larger the circle, the more volatile it is in your portfolio. The colour of the circle shows whether it is positively or negatively correlated with either the row, another symbol, or the entire portfolio. Here we see that sterling dollar cable is positively correlated with the euro, blue, but negatively correlated with dollar Swiss, which is red. Looking down each column, you can see the correlation against each row, which is a new symbol, and this is done in terms of market price movements. But in the last row, the portfolio correlation is done on a P&L basis, and that means you can see the effect of the position you have on the P&L of the portfolio. Now let's go to the final tab, the Sigma Watch. This graph shows the current sigma, where we are on the bell-shaped curve, using the latest rates that have come in to form the last bar. You can change the number of points you want to see on the plot with the spinner at the top. You can also set the sigma alert level. This is normally set at the 99% confidence level, or approximately 2.4. If you wish to have an alert when the level is breached, click the checkbox at the top. The alert is set on the whole portfolio, but if you scroll down, you can see the sigma graphs for each of your component positions.